I'm just sitting here speculating just like you are. That's all. Samsung Galaxy Z Fold 3 and Flip 3 image and specs leak online ahead of Unpacked. That's coming up soon, right?
Mm-hmm.
So that's not a picture of the new one, is it?
No.
Oh, okay. Where's the picture of the new one? Oh, there. Kind of still hidden looking, but yeah, I can sort of see what's going on there. The camera
specs as
module looks a little bit different. And here are the, this is, by the way, from EvLeaks on Twitter. Few upcoming foldable details. Z Flip 3, 6.7 inch internal display, 1.9 inch cover displays, 12 megapixel times 2 rear cameras, and a 10 megapixel selfie camera. Now the Z Fold 3, again, these are just leaked specs, 7.6 inch internal display, 6.2 inch external display, 12 megapixel times 3 on the rear, and a 10 megapixel cover selfie. So very similar in that sense. Also a 4 megapixel main selfie, 2 optional S Pens Pro and Fold Edition, and they're both going to be IPX8. The S Pen thing is super interesting to me because it implies a different surface material that can withstand the input of a pen, and then also where the pen gets stored. I'm quite curious about that. It will be able to be stored inside of a case that you get for the device. It really felt like, at least for the larger one, the Fold model, it felt like a pen would make a lot of sense there. And also the rumors around them killing the Note series, the Fold takes over where the Note leaves off.
Yeah. No new news on the Note. So
Yeah.
hopefully put the S Pen into work again.
Keep the S Pen around.
Sure. Yeah.